We're living through the biggest gold rush of our lifetime. But this time, the gold isn't buried under the ground. It's hidden inside algorithms, creativity, and AI. Most people are standing on the sidelines, watching history happen. A few are learning how to use these tools, and they're becoming the new millionaires of the AI era. So today, let's talk about how creators can win or be replaced. The last few years were about crypto. Although crypto still plays a big role, this next wave, it's about intelligence, artificial intelligence. Just like the internet changed communication and crypto changed money, AI is now changing everything else. We're talking about tools that can write, design, make music, edit videos, build websites, and even trade markets, all automatically. But here's the truth no one wants to admit. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take your inefficiency. The people who learn how to use it will replace those who don't. Right now, we're in what I call the AI gold rush. Everyone chasing the next ChatGPT, the next Sora, the next automation system that can 10x productivity. But the real opportunity isn't in building AI companies. It's using AI creatively. Look at the new wave of creators. People using tools like Sora, Runway, Suno, and 11 Labs to make films, soundtracks, and content that would have taken massive teams just years ago. AI is the ultimate equalizer. You no longer need a big studio, a full team, or $1 million budget. You just need a vision and the right tools. So who wins this new economy? The ones who can adapt. The ones who think like entrepreneurs, not employees. They're automating repetitive work. They're using AI to scale faster. They're building systems that even run when they sleep. People who get replaced are the ones waiting for permission, waiting for the world to slow down, waiting for things to go back to normal. Spoiler alert, they won't. If you're a creator, you're already sitting on gold. Your ideas, your skills, your creativity. That's the resource AI needs to multiply. AI is not replacing creativity, it's amplifying it, but only for those who learn how to use it. This is why you're seeing people with no background in tech are suddenly making full income using AI tools, from content automation to voice synthesis to building micro brands powered by generative systems. We're entering a decade where one creative person with AI can outperform entire companies. But here's the warning. If you ignore this, you're basically doing what people did during the early internet era, laughing at websites, while others bought domains like Amazon and Google. The window of opportunity doesn't stay open forever. This is the time to learn, to experiment, to build your place in the new economy before it solidifies. The future will belong to those who understand both sides, creativity and technology. That's exactly what we're building inside Netonia, a free community for creators, dreamers, and innovators who want to use AI, crypto, media, and automation to build real freedom. We'll teach you how to master these tools, not just for hype, but for results. If you ever felt like you missed the last big wave, this is your second chance. The AI gold rush is here. You can watch it leave you behind, or you can learn how to profit from it. Netonia will be live in the next few days. Start building your freedom with creativity, intelligence, and technology. Subscribe for more, and I'll let you know here as soon as Netonia is live. Let's build a future together. Thanks for watching this one, and cheers.